In this video, we're going to talk about the trial, licensing, and how to go pro. So as I mentioned earlier, when you first download and install the app, it automatically starts in trial mode. Now what trial mode does is it does need internet connection because it is talking back to the server, it's checking the status of your trial. So while you're in trial mode, you will need to be connected to the internet every time you run the app. Okay. To find out how much you've got left of your trial, you'll see this blue button up the top, and it will show you how many of your PDF exports you have left. So you can generate you can have 20 playlists, and you can generate the cards for those 20 playlists. But once again, in trial mode, your card generation will be capped at 8 cards, regardless of how many cards you've got set up in your settings. Okay, this is just a trial, just so you can see the actual cards generated, so you get a good feel of what you're going to get once you activate. But you can have as many playlists set up in here as you like. But every time you create a PDF download, you'll see that once the download is done, your trial will be updated. So now you've only got 9 of 10 PDFs. Okay. Now, once you've used all your exports, what will happen is that the system will automatically lock the trial, and it will ask you to put your registration key in. Okay, so you'll see this. Then all you need to do is click on Get License Key. That will take you to the registration screen to purchase your license. It's in Australian dollars, a one-off license for $39. And once you've gone through and you paid, you'll be emailed your license key. Right? Your license key will be emailed to you, and then you'll just come back in to the music generator, put your email in that you licensed with, the license key that was sent, click register, and you're away. Once that happens, it doesn't connect to the server ever again, right? So it only connects to the server while you're in trial mode. Once you've put your license key in and you've activated, that's it. One-time purchase, no subscription, and no recurring server checks. So once again, if you've got any questions whatsoever, please do not hesitate in reaching out to us at support@phenomcentral.com. We're here to help you and looking forward to hearing your feedback.